This is a microphone test. Olympus, what is this thing? Stereo microphone. The model number later on. Microphone test. Stereo microphone. So we're going to test out some stuff real quick, some sounds real quick. Video's probably blurry. I guess it doesn't really matter since it's an audio test. So I'm starting right in front of the camera right now. Let's see. I will go to the right channel. Test, 1, 2, 3. Test, 1, 2, 3. Moving around some more. Actually be going up the stairs to the left channel. Test, 1, 2, 3. Test, 1, 2, 3. Let's check sensitivity. Right now it is manual audio settings, so test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. More to the right side, test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's try with audio, with auto level now. Auto level test 1, 2, 3. Auto level test 1, 2, 3. I'm in front of the camera again. Closer to the front. More level to the microphone, I should say. Test 1, 2, 3. I'm about 7 feet away. Further back, I don't know, this is 20 feet away. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Back over here. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Towards the left channel. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. We'll try outside test in a little bit. Outside test of the Olympus stereo microphone. Manual audio settings. About halfway. You can hear some crickets. See my dog coming. Kennedy! Let's see if we can hear her footprints. I'm gonna try this out in the street. I'm at this Reseda Street, testing the audio. Let's see if we can get some decent separation. Sorry about the shakiness. So let's see. We should see cars go by. That direction. See what happens if I face backwards. Okay, another test. Olympus ME51S. Olympus ME51S. Standing at an intersection. Should get some Noises coming from all places. And let's see how this picks up. Oops, didn't expect to catch that. Let's see with the mono mic now. Built-in mono, switching to mono. Now back to the Olympus mic. All right.